I decided to make a video of a recipe that I have made for many years. I'm not going to demonstrate it by cooking it. I'm just going to tell you the ingredients and how you make it. I've had this recipe since 1967 when I had lived in Lakeland, Florida for a few years, and one of the secretaries at the law firm I worked for gave it to all the secretaries, and this is what it looks like now. That's how long I've had the recipe. It's been tried and tested. I've given it to my children and stepchildren, and they all make it and enjoy it. And the name of the recipe is broccoli and cheese casserole. And these are your ingredients. 2 packages of cut broccoli, or you can buy the whole broccoli spears with the florets on them, boil it, and then chop it. 1 can mushroom soup, 1 cup of mayonnaise, 2 beaten eggs, 1 cup of sharp cheese, or just regular cheddar cheese, and salt and pepper to taste. Okay, you cook your broccoli like the package directs until it's tender. Then you drain it. Add it to a big mixing bowl. And once you get it in the mixing bowl, add your sharp cheddar cheese and stir that up so that your cheese melts while the broccoli is hot. Then you add your 1 cup of mayonnaise, your can of cream of mushroom soup, and beat your 2 eggs and add them last. Stir all of this together really well and put it in a large baking dish. Not a 9 by 13, that's too big, and your casserole will be too thin. Put it in a round casserole baking dish or an oval baking dish because it needs to be about that thick. You don't want a thin casserole, and that's what would happen if you put it in a 9 by 13 baking dish. After you get it all together in your baking dish, crush a tube of Ritz crackers and spread over the top. Then put it in a 350 preheated oven and bake it for approximately 45 minutes. It will be done when it's browned on top and it's not too jiggly in the middle. Try this recipe and see if you like it. Let me know if you like it or not.